Assalamu alaikum class pre-9th. Myself Arslan Shehzad. Hope so you all are fine and doing well and safe at home. This is your computer science class. Today our topic is fifth generation of computer. Fifth generation of computer. Present the scenario which we are following in computer field. Computer scenario is almost based upon fifth generation of computer. In previous lecture we have discussed about fourth generation of computer, and first, second, third and fourth generations were discussed in previous lectures, and hope so you all got some major points, and will learn about some more points, some more characteristics related to fifth generation of computer. So here we start fifth generation of computer. The goal of fifth generation of computer is to develop devices that can understand natural language and have thinking power. Class, natural language which we are normally use to communicate with computer, and this language is English. Computer based upon English oriented programming based English oriented language which we are used to communicate, which we are used to give instruction to computer. So this is natural language, and computer, you all know about computer cannot understand English language. Computer cannot understand any other language except binary language. Computer just understand binary language, which is 0 and 1, and this language is called machine language and lower level language. So in fifth generation computer is to develop device that can understand natural language. So how computer can understand natural language, this process we'll discuss in further in upcoming lecture, in upcoming lectures. And have thinking power. Computer is also thinking about the scenario which we are giving to computer, and computer give us result according to scenario, according to situation, and computer give us so many results and mention that if this scenario is being used, this result is produced, this result will produce, and if this scenario is being used, this result will be your answer. So this is a big challenge for computer developers and programmers to design such system and software for them. Who develops programs, who develops applications, who develops softwares? Obviously computer programmers, which we call developers. Developers develop some softwares, applications, as well as some programs to develop softwares for us to computer, which we are getting information from computer in the sense of, in the language of natural language. We give instruction to computer in natural language, and we take result from computer in natural language. But computer cannot understand natural language. Computer can understand binary language. So how it can convert to natural language into binary language? So compiler is a translator between a human and computer. Human can interact with computer through compiler. Compiler is a translator, and translator translate natural language into binary language, and computer process the data, and computer computer produced result in binary language, which compiler convert again binary language into natural language and give us result. The following are the characteristics of fifth generation computer, and some characteristics are: fifth generation computers are based on artificial intelligence. So class, what is artificial intelligence? Computer can sense the scenario. Computer can produce a lot of result according to the scenario, which I mentioned earlier, that computer can understand a lot of scenarios. Computer can produce results according to scenarios. If we are giving some different instructions to computer give us the result according to the scenario. Understand? And artificial intelligence mean thinking power. Computer can think, computer can produce some features, computer can produce some scenario, computer can produce a lot of results according to the instructions. So computer is not dull as much. Computer can produce according to the formulas which we give to computer to further process to communicate with us. Computer can process a lot of data at the same time. Computer can't mix a lot of many results with one of them which we are not used to, and all these stuffs are being mentioned properly, that this scenario, if you use this scenario you will get this result, if you use this scenario you will get this result. Okay. In the 5th generation of computer, artificial intelligence will minimize the need to write programs. Artificial intelligence will minimize the need to write program. Plus, what is program? Program is a set of instructions which we give to computer to perform some specific task. So artificial intelligence minimize the need of programs. मीन के हम इतनी ज़्यादा डिटेल में प्रोग्राम्स नहीं लिखते, हमें जस्ट सिनेरियो गिवन होता है. अभी मैंने आपको पहले मेंशन भी कर चुका हूँ कि कंप्यूटर्स हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस and we choose one of them to produce some specific result in specific field. So हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा सिनेरियोज ऑलरेडी गिवन होते हैं, ऑलरेडी मेंशन होते हैं कंप्यूटर के अंदर, तो हमें उन सिनेरियोज के प्रोग्राम्स लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. ठीक है, आप जिस चीज़ों को सिलेक्ट करते जाते हैं और चीज़ों को सिलेक्ट करते करते आपके पास रिजल्ट प्रोड्यूस होता जाता है. ठीक है. These computer will allow users to give commands in any natural language such as English. As I earlier mentioned, that we can communicate with computer in English, in natural language, and computer can understand just only binary language. And compiler is a translator. Compiler play an important role in communication between computer and human. Computer and end user. End user are the person. The end users are the humans which are being communicating with computers. So computers can understand the language. And if और अगर हम देखें कि कंप्यूटर में क्या कि कंप्यूटर के अंदर अगर आप कभी सॉफ्टवेयर में जाएं, किसी भी एप्लीकेशन को ओपन करें, तो आपको जब लैंग्वेज का ऑप्शन देता है तो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस देयर. कंप्यूटर को जस्ट इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज समझ नहीं आती, कंप्यूटर्स को बहुत ज़्यादा लैंग्वेजेस में कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम्स को ट्रांसलेट कर सकता है. ठीक है, आप देखें कि स्पेनिश में जाएं, आप इंग्लिश आपके पास यूएस इंग्लिश आ जाती है, आपके पास जो है उसके बाद उर्दू में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकता है. ठीक है, उसके अलावा आपके पास जैपनीज़ इंग्लिश है, जैपनीज़ में आ जाती है लैंग्वेजेस, चाइनीज़ में कन्वर्ट कर देता है. तो कंप्यूटर के पास कैपेबिलिटी है कि वो आपकी इंस्ट्रक्शंस को डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस के अंदर कन्वर्ट कर सकता है. ठीक है, तो ये 5th जनरेशन कंप्यूटर थी. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजीज़ को भी यूज़ किया गया, एज वेल एज इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइसेस आर बीइंग यूज्ड in this generation, so which we are using in these days. So this is 5th generation of computer which is very advanced, and this scenario is being used in these days, and updates are getting day by day to improve furthermore in software as well as hardware devices. So class, your generations topic is ended, and in next class we will discuss about types of computers, which is analog and digital. These types are used in previous lecture. In these types are discussed in previous lecture but not in detail, so we will discuss in next lecture in detail topic. So hope so you understood today's topic. So in next class we will discuss next topic. ओके क्लास, तो तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ, एंड इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट क्लास में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।